So I'll put the new one in anyway, just for you guys' sake. We'll put that in there. We got brand new screws, and we're just gonna go ahead and first we'll start them with our fingers, just to get them started, you know, just like that. No big deal. On forward. Bam. Bam. The pad on. This pad on. So it goes like this, right? And you can see this. I'm just going to turn it so it's this way. This I got to feed through there on top, right? So I got that through, and then I just set that right through there like that. And basically that just sits on there like that. Well, I'm going to hold on to it over here so it doesn't fall out. You follow me? See, it's kind of leaning. All right, so now we've got it in there, right? All right, so anyway, I've got to get this down here like this so that I can get the screws in, okay? So I just got to get this through the hole, right? Just like that. See, it's going through this hole here, getting it through there. Then we got to get this crossed on there, and then we should be good. Okay, now we should be able to get our screws in. Let's go for one of them first. I'm just going to set it through there like that. Okay, we're good. I'm going to put it right here. Follow me? We don't want to cross thread it, but I think we're good, right? Our next step is to put this together. So you just got to look at it first, right? All right, so you know that it's got to go like this. You got to get the pinholes matched up to here, like that. And then all you're going to do is just smush it together like that. And then you got to kind of bend this stuff up a little bit, just like that, and kind of smush it in there. There we go. See how we got it on inside that? And then we're going to push this in like that. Right, because we want to get the wires kind of like out of the way. And now we got to put our battery on. Here's our new battery, brand new. And what we're going to do is we're just going to match it up, right? Match it up. You can hear some sounds. See how this has a little lip on it? So you got to kind of slide it in there. I think we're going to do it this way. Like that, yeah. Right now I think we've got everything in there. That looks good, right? So, bam, that's done. So here's our plate. And we have to match this part here up. So you can see this is on an angle. So I've got to kind of get this on the same angle that is. So that's like opposite this direction, but when I go this way, it mirrors it in, right? So now I'm gonna just come in, set her on there. Bam, I got it. One there. And let's go ahead and we'll screw that baby in. Okay, that one's in. Now we gotta put this one in. Now we're ready. Right, that's it right there. We're in. Let's check it and see if it works. Right, so it definitely works, right? You can see the deadbolt coming out. So we're good, all right? So now we've got to program it.